Welcome back to Sam Good Design. Today we show you best garden edging ideas, concrete and wood. The definitive guide to the best garden edging ideas. Picture your yard overrun by weeds sneaking into flower beds. Soil spills onto the lawn after every rain, and the whole space looks sloppy. You deserve a tidy garden that stays sharp without constant fixes. Garden edging solves these headaches. It creates clear lines between plants and grass, boosts curb appeal, and cuts down on yard work. In this guide, we break down the top two choices, concrete and wood. The fundamentals of choosing garden edging materials. Garden borders set the tone for your outdoor area. They keep things neat and help plants thrive. Let's start with the basics to guide your decision. Assessing your landscape needs and style. Think about what your yard already has. Does it match stone paths or wooden fences? Match the edging to blend in. Climate plays a big role too. In cold spots, frost can shift materials. Humid areas speed up wood rot. Pick based on your weather. Style matters for the look. Concrete suits clean, modern yards. Wood fits cozy, natural vibes. Durability and lifespan comparison. Concrete stands tough against time. It often lasts 20 to 30 years with little care. Wood varies by type. Pressure treated pine holds up 5 to 10 years before rot sets in. Cedar or redwood pushes to 15 years thanks to natural oils. They fight pests better than plain lumber. Concrete wins for long-lasting garden border materials. It shrugs off bugs and weather. Wood needs checks to stay strong. Installation complexity and DIY feasibility. Both options work for DIY, but they differ in steps. Concrete demands more prep. Wood goes in quicker. For concrete blocks, dig a trench, level the base, and stack. Tools: shovel, level, tamper. Takes a weekend for 50 feet. Poured concrete needs forms and mixing. Rent a mixer if going pro. Expect 2 days plus curing time. Wood edging, cut stakes, hammer in secure boards. Basic saw and nails do it. Most folks finish in-house. Section 2. Mastering concrete garden edging. Strength meets structure. Concrete edges lock in your design like a solid frame. They define beds with precision. Let's explore why they're a top pick for sturdy borders. Types of concrete edging solutions. You have options in concrete styles. Pre-made pavers snap together fast. They're great for straight runs. Put it in place curbs for custom shapes. Add stamps for brick-like texture or smooth finishes. Blocks stack like Lego for easy curves. Choose smooth or sleek yards. Textured suites patios that flow into gardens. Advantages of concrete: permanence and definition. Concrete stops roots from pushing through. No more bumpy lawns. It holds mulch in place too. Moisture stays where it should. Grass won't invade beds. Your plants get better care. Concrete edging installation tips and best practices. Prep cones most. Dig a 4-inch trench. Add gravel for drainage. Level everything. Use a string line for straight edges. Slope away from house to avoid water issues. For poured concrete, add expansion joints every 10 feet. They prevent cracks from heat. Thanks for watching. Share these best wood and concrete garden edging ideas. You've been watching the Landscape Design and Garden channel. Same good design.